Hello, hello, welcome.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Mաثիю.
How old are you?
I just turned 15 years old.
15? Wow, incredible, very young. What are you going to be doing for us today?
Today I'm going to be singing for you.
How do you feel? Are you nervous?
Kind of nervous, but I'm not. I'm more nervous about the talking than the singing part.
You're more nervous about this part right here?
Uh-huh.
Really? Why is that?
Well, I've been diagnosed with autism a few years ago, and talking always been hard for me. That's why I'm singing. I can just express myself.
Absolutely. Who is here with you today?
Well, I got my mom off stage right here. Hey!
Let me ask you this. You're on the biggest stage in Canada. Why CGT?
I want to win.
That's what's up. Well, I love that. Best of luck to you. The stage is yours.
Thank you. Look at me, you may think you see who I really am, but you never know me. Every day is as if I play a part. Now I see, if I wear a mask, I can fool the world, but I cannot fool my heart. It's a girl I see staring straight back at me. When will my reflection show who I am inside? There's a heart that must be free to fly. Thank you so much.
Girl, you have a range.
Thank you so much.
I cannot believe I was listening to a 15-year-old. That was incredible.
You are a perfect example of what a $1 million winner could look like on this season of CGT.
Absolutely. This is Canada's Got Talent, and sweetheart, you showed this theater, you showed the judges, and more importantly yourself, that you've got talent. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
I think that this stage in this country is about diversity, and that includes neurodiversity. And that spectrum allows you to shine in different ways than another person. You are a beautiful young lady with an amazing talent. You really are. And what do you want in life? What are you looking for?
I want to be a singer and just travel the world with my singing.
You want that. You want that dream.
Yes, definitely.
How can that come true for you?
Canada's Got Talent.
With Canada's Got Talent.
Yes.
So you want to be on again, right?
Yes.
You want to go farther than you've already gone.
Definitely.
I can help. I can help you. I can give you this. Hi, kiddo. You're amazing. You're amazing.
Thank you so much.
You're amazing. What are you thinking? Isn't she amazing? You are a star. What I watched, what I heard is worth $1 million. It really is. Thank you.
Jade Matiya, you are Howie's golden buzzer, which means you're going straight through to the next round. And you've also just won $25,000 from CIBC. One more time for Jade Matiya.